What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert and send HTML, email, newsletters in Outlook. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Outlook and then you will see this first official website of Microsoft Outlook. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see the option of signing in or create a free account. So as you can see, I have signed in into my Outlook account. Now on your left side, you can see this option of new mail. Just simply click on this. Now after here, after clicking on new mail, you will see this type of page. Then on your right side on your toolbar, as you can see, enhance Outlook with apps. Click on it and then just simply click on my templates. And I currently don't have any templates, but if you have a template, you will see the HTML of that template. You can just simply copy and then you can just paste it here and then you will be able to insert the HTML and in here just type in the email address that you want to send the HTML code to, and this is how you can insert and send HTML email in Outlook. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.